Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cash out DoorDash earnings. First, open the Dasher app and go to the Earnings tab. Tap View Payout Details, then select Change Payout Method. Add or confirm your bank account details. DoorDash automatically deposits your earnings from Monday to Sunday, and the payment usually arrives by Wednesday. If you're eligible for fast pay, you can also cash out instantly for a small fee. And that's it. That's how to cash out DoorDash earnings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.